Elias, the old carpenter, has spent 40 years building houses for the townspeople. Strong roofs, smooth doors, floors that never creaked. Every house reflected his skill, but not his heart lately. One morning, he tells his apprentice, "It's time I retire." The apprentice is shocked. "Elias, the town won't be the same without you." Elias smiles, but deep inside, he feels tired. He wonders if his work has truly mattered. A wealthy merchant arrives with a special request. Merchant's mansion, workshop full of tools. The merchant asks Elias to build one final house, not for sale, but as a gift for someone he loves. Elias hesitates. "I just want to finish and retire," he whispers. But he agrees. He chooses the fastest materials. He ignores some measurements. His heart isn't in it. Villagers watch and whisper, "Even the best carpenter can grow careless with age." Elias finishes the house and hands over the keys, only to be surprised by the merchant's words. Finished house, sunset light, quiet town. The merchant smiles warmly. "Elias, this house is for you." For everything you've done for the town all these years, Elias freezes. He realizes the house he built carelessly is meant to be his own home. He looks at crooked walls. The floorboards don't line up perfectly. The roof leaks slightly. His heart sinks. That night, he reflects on every rushed project, every small cut corner. Night inside the poorly built house, candlelight flickers. Elias sits on the uneven floor. "If I had known, I would have built it with care." He tries to fix a few things, tightens a door, seals a crack, but realizes he can't undo years of habits. He begins to understand that life is like this house. Every choice, every effort, every task is a brick in the life we build. The next morning, he decides to do something different. Workshop, dawn light, birds chirping. Elias wakes with a new mindset. He returns to his tools, not for anyone else, but for himself. He fixes doors and floors carefully. He polishes wood. He decorates the home with love and attention. Villagers notice the old carpenter is at work again. He moves differently, like it matters more than ever. Even small tasks now have meaning. Every hammer strike, every nail, every measurement is deliberate. By the end, the house is not just functional. It reflects Elias's life and care. Completed house, sunset, golden light through windows. Elias sits in his finished home, peaceful. The house shines, not because it's perfect, but because it's built with heart. We build our lives the same way we build a house. Every choice, every effort, every word is like a brick. If we rush or ignore the details, we live in what we've built carelessly. But if we build with care, love, and attention, even small things become beautiful. Treat every task as if it's for yourself, because life reflects what you build. Villagers admire the house, but Elias smiles quietly, knowing the real gift was his own care and heart.